Part 1, The Why, the Invisible Crisis. Look around. The modern supply chain is a marvel of engineering, but it is also a house of cards. Right now, an invisible crisis is unfolding. Geopolitical choke points abroad have triggered a massive global fertilizer shortage, pushing agricultural production costs to historic highs. Combined with severe climate shocks across North America's breadbaskets and compounding inflation, the food on our shelves isn't just getting more expensive, its underlying security is fractured. Smart households aren't panicking, they are adapting. They aren't just shopping for next week anymore, they are preparing for the next decade. Because the best time to build a safety net is before the ground beneath you shakes. Part 2, The Suffering, Who Pays the Price? But if a major systemic shock hits, who actually suffers? The hardest hit are everyday families living on fixed incomes, the millions of middle and lower class Americans who spend a disproportionate amount of their paycheck just to keep the pantry full. When beef, dairy, and fresh produce prices surge out of reach, these households are forced to make impossible choices, often sacrificing nutrition for sheer calories. Scarcity doesn't just empty shelves, it erodes stability. Part 3, The Strategy, 10 Foods That Last Forever. To insulate your home from this volatility, you don't need expensive gadgets. You just need strategy. These are the 10 indestructible staples that can sit on your shelf for decades, or even centuries, without ever expiring. Number 1. Honey. Nature's ultimate miracle. Pure honey has an infinite shelf life because of its low moisture and high acidity. Archaeologists have literally found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, and it's still perfectly edible. Number 2. White rice. Unlike brown rice, which contains natural oils that spoil, white rice stored in an oxygen-free, cool environment can stay perfectly nutritious for over 30 years. Number 3. Salt. A pure mineral. Salt cannot support bacterial growth. It will last forever while acting as the single most critical preservation tool in human history. Number 4. Sugar. Like salt, pure granulated sugar doesn't support microbial life. Keep it sealed away from moisture, and it stays infinite. Number 5. Dried beans. Packed with protein and fiber, vacuum-sealed dried beans can easily last 30+ years, providing a vital survival asset during prolonged food shortages. Number 6. Powdered milk. When packed with oxygen absorbers or nitrogen, high-quality non-fat powdered milk maintains its shelf life for decades, securing necessary calcium and fat. Number 7. Pure maple syrup. Unopened, pure maple syrup lasts indefinitely. Even if surface mold forms after opening, it can be boiled, skimmed, and rendered completely safe again. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar. Its intense self-preserving acidity means it will never spoil, remaining a powerful culinary and sanitizing asset forever. Number 9. Soy sauce. Due to its exceptionally high sodium content, unopened fermented soy sauce can sit in your dark pantry for a lifetime without degrading. Number 10. Hardtack or pemmican. The historic survival foods. Hardtack, made of just flour and water, and pemmican, a mixture of dried lean meat and fat, were built by our ancestors to survive centuries of harsh conditions. What happens next? The prepared mind. So, what happens next? The global agricultural system will continue to experience friction, and food prices will fluctuate. But for those who take action today, the future looks vastly different. By quietly stocking these 10 eternal staples now, at today's prices, you remove yourself from the cycle of panic buying. You don't just secure food, you purchase peace of mind. When the next shortage or supply chain freeze hits, you won't be scrambling in long supermarket lines. You will simply shut your door, look at your family, and know that you are ready. The future